Have you ever wondered what's happening right beneath your feet, thousands of miles down? Deep inside our planet, a giant, solid iron ball, almost the size of the moon, is spinning away. This is Earth's inner core. Surrounding it is a molten outer core of liquid iron and nickel. It's this spinning dance between the solid inner core and the liquid outer core that generates something absolutely vital for our survival: Earth's magnetic field. But what if one day it just stopped? What if the core suddenly stopped spinning? Would that be the end of the world as we know it? Let's dive into this mind-bending scenario. The first most immediate consequence would be the collapse of our planetary shield, the magnetosphere. Think of it as Earth's invisible force field. It protects us from a constant barrage of charged particles flying from the sun, known as the solar wind, and from dangerous cosmic rays from deep space. Without the core's spin generating this field, it would weaken dramatically and eventually disappear. Our first line of defense would be gone. With the magnetic field gone, those high-energy solar particles would start bombarding our upper atmosphere. The consequences would be devastating. First, our technology would be fried. Satellites would be knocked out of orbit, plunging us into a global communication blackout. No GPS, no internet, no long-distance phone calls. Power grids on the ground would surge and fail, leading to worldwide blackouts that could last for, well, forever. It would be like a global-scale solar storm that never ends. But it gets much, much worse. The solar wind wouldn't just mess with our electronics. It would start stripping away our atmosphere, molecule by molecule. This is a process called atmospheric stripping. Mars is a prime example of this. Scientists believe Mars once had a thick atmosphere and liquid water, but after its core cooled and its magnetic field vanished, the solar wind eroded its atmosphere over millions of years, turning it into the cold, barren desert we see today. Earth would be on the same catastrophic path. As our atmosphere thinned, the air would become unbreathable. The ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, would also be stripped away. Without it, direct exposure to the sun would cause severe burns in minutes and make surface life impossible for most species, including us. The planet's surface would become a scorched, irradiated wasteland. Oceans would begin to boil away into space, and Earth would slowly transform into a desolate, lifeless rock. But wait, there's another, more immediate effect. The core doesn't just spin independently, its momentum is connected to the rest of the planet. If the core's spin suddenly stopped, the planet's mantle and crust would keep spinning due to inertia. Imagine being in a car that slams on its brakes, you fly forward. Now imagine the entire surface of the Earth doing that. The difference in momentum would trigger the most catastrophic earthquakes and volcanic eruptions imaginable, on a scale we've never witnessed. The entire surface of the planet would be reshaped in an instant. Continents would shift, and super tsunamis would wash over everything. So would our magnetic field collapse and our atmosphere vanish? Absolutely. But the immediate cataclysmic geological chaos from the sudden stop would likely get us first. Thankfully, this is pure science fiction. The laws of physics and the immense momentum involved mean the Earth's core isn't going to just stop. It's a powerful engine that has been running for billions of years and will continue for billions more. It's a comforting thought, isn't it? Our planet is a resilient, dynamic system, and its spinning heart will keep beating, protecting us from the harsh realities of space. What other what-if scenarios keep you up at night? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey to the center of the Earth, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cosmic questions. Thanks for watching.